Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FineGap. This is going to be our last video of introduction to ChatGPT series, and in this last video we will try to implement that we have learned in this course. In general, if I summarize, ChatGPT is a text predictor and it also generates next text, and it also generates text so humans can easily understand that text. For example, let me type here, continue with the following paragraph based on historical precedent, and I will next type here, ask not what you can do for your country, and I will type here single quotes. So now you can see that ask not what you can do for your country, but what your country can do for you. This iconic line was delivered by President this and in his this address on January 20, 1961. So as we know that ChatGPT have learned from internet and history is included in that, and because we have provided this text, so it can understand that what was the next text and about what we are talking about. Obviously, next we know that it can summarize text, so let me type here, summarize this paragraph into 50 words only. Let me press enter, and now you can see that the above paragraph is successfully summarized into 50 words. Next, let me type here, convert this paragraph to Urdu language. So now you can see that the same paragraph is converted into Urdu language. So friends, basically this is very helpful tool in today's industry. You can use this tool if you are writing, if you are a content creator. This is going to be very helpful tool for you. For example, if you write emails, you are working in a company, you write emails, you can use this tool to write professional emails. If you are a content creator, you can content ideas from it. If you are a programmer, this tool is going to be very helpful for you. It can solve your problems or it can write code for you, so you can easily and fastly work on projects. And obviously you can give errors. ChatGPT can solve errors for you. Obviously, if you are a SEO expert, you can use this tool for keyword research, and it have many uses, friends. And I believe every one of us should learn prompt engineering, ChatGPT, and how we can effectively use this in our lives and obviously in our business applications. ChatGPT provide APIs, ChatGPT have plugins. We should spend our time to learn ChatGPT so we can increase our performance, revenue, and this type of stuff using this very helpful tool. Companies are investing their billions into this tool and they are improving this day by day. Obviously, if you can afford, I recommend you that you should use GPT-4. Obviously, it have much more capabilities than 3.5. If you are a student but you learn how to use this large language model, obviously this tool is going to be very valuable for you. So friends, this was the course. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question. And obviously this tool have no feelings, but let me type here, thanks ChatGPT. You can see that it say me you are welcome. If you have any more question, if there's anything else I can help you with, feel free to ask, happy to assist. So obviously in this case it has replied us. Please let us know in the comment section that how we can improve our content. If you have any ideas, feel free to share. We will try to improve ourselves, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay connected with us, because we are here to bring such type of educational content for you. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next course.